I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor at the CME Group reporting on the livestock market. Today, cattle was lower. That live cattle discount is down 6% from last week, or not 6%, $6 from last week, and that really pushed the market lower. It seems that this deep discount is a big indicator that the summer cattle prices are really heading for the basement. So beware that the market really could start sinking here. We're hanging on it. It didn't completely collapse today, but it looks like perhaps, when this kind of numbers come in at this time, that we could start really be heading lower. Feeders were also down. The expanding herd is actually hurting the leather market. Interestingly enough, that demand has really been reduced a lot, and that just means that there's one more factor in pushing this market lower. I know that a lot of the demand comes from all over, or different items and products that cow hides actually make, and that helps the prices and helps to really support these prices right now. But we're not really getting that. There has been a real decline in that cowhide demand, and it's affecting our prices right now. Hopefully that we'll get more fundamental news that might give us a little bit of a lift. Now today there was a decline in the U.S. dollar index, and we were hoping that might help a little bit, but it didn't really happen. So perhaps it kept it from really collapsing here. The good news today was the hogs. The hogs jumped up. That upside breakout really was helped by Mexico. And what it comes down to, that no matter what kind of tariffs are happening, that the U.S. is still the best buy for pork products from Mexico, and they've been stepping up and buying it as well. Now we know that the Agriculture Secretary Sonny Perdue was saying that it seems that we can set our worries aside about NAFTA, because we're getting further and further away from really imposing any difficulty or adding any kind of tariffs onto that. So for the time being, the pork products and the pork exports and the demand seems to be working out very well. So we're going to hang on to that. It looks like that we have made a full recovery from Monday's sell-off, and we're really starting to make some strides. So if we continue out this week, perhaps we've really come off the bottom and start to move it upward. As long as we can keep everything in NAFTA settled down, it looks like that that the hogs could be just on the verge of starting a run very soon. That's all from the floor at the CME Group here in Chicago. I'm Virginia McGathey.